IMED MCQ based questions and answers part 13. Question number 1. Undercapitalization arise due to dash dash. Undercapitalization के कारण उत्पन्न होता है. Option A, excess of assets over the liabilities. Option B, excess of liabilities over the assets. Option C, actual capitalization is higher than the proper capitalization. Option D, actual capitalization is lower than the proper capitalization. Correct option is D. Question number 2. Which of the following leads to over capitalization? निम्नलिखित में से कौन अति पूंजीकरण की ओर ले जाता है? Option A, underestimation of the initial rate of earnings. Option B, acquiring fixed assets on excessive amounts. Option C, using lower rate of capitalization. Option D, underestimation of required funds. Correct option is B, acquiring fixed assets on excessive amounts. Question number 3. Which of the following leads to undercapitalization? निम्न में से कौन सा undercapitalization की ओर ले जाता है? Option A, raising of more money by issue of shares. Option B, requiring fixed assets on excessive amounts. Option C, overestimation of earnings for enterprise. Option D, underestimation of the initial rate of earnings. Correct option is D, underestimation of the initial rate of earnings. Question number 4. Business means dash dash. व्यापार का मतलब है. Option A, commerce. Option B, industry and commerce. Option C, trade and commerce. Option D, selling and buying of goods. Correct option is B, industry and commerce. Business means industry and commerce. Question number 5. A valid definition of a business purpose is to dash dash. व्यवसायिक उद्देश्य की एक मान्य परिभाषा है. Option A, create a customer. Option B, maximize profits. Option C, serve the society. Option D, increase the wealth of the firm. Correct option is B, maximize profits. A valid definition of a business purpose is to maximize profits. Question number 6. Reserve Bank of India is a dash and. भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक एक है. Option A, स्टैट्यूटरी कॉर्पोरेशन. Option B, company limited by guarantee. Option C, company limited by shares. Option D, unlimited company. Correct option is A, statutory corporation. Reserve Bank of India is a statutory corporation. Question number 7. A public corporation means dash dash. एक सार्वजनिक निगम का अर्थ है. Option A, पब्लिक कंपनी. Option B, गवर्नमेंट कंपनी. Option C, स्टैट्यूटरी कॉर्पोरेशन. Option D, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. Correct option is C, statutory corporation. A public corporation means statutory corporation. Question number 8. Promoter is a person who dash dash. Question mark. Promoter एक ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो है. Option A, takes part in the incorporation of a company. Option B, is a director. Option C, is a relative of the managing director. Option D, works to publicity to the company. Correct option is A. Takes part in the incorporation of a company. Promoter is a person who takes part in the incorporation of a company. Question number 9. The term capitalization is used in relation to dash dash. पूंजीकरण शब्द का प्रयोग डैश डैश के संबंध में किया जाता है. ऑप्शन ए सोल प्रॉपर्टीशिप, ऑप्शन बी पार्टनरशिप, ऑप्शन सी जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनीज, ऑप्शन डी कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनीज. The term capitalization is used in relation to joint stock companies. Question number 10. Which of the following securities proves a burden on the finances of the company is not earning profits? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी प्रतिभूति कंपनी के वित्त पर बोझ साबित होती है जो मुनाफा नहीं कमा रही है? ऑप्शन ए इक्विटी शेयर्स, ऑप्शन बी प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, ऑप्शन सी रिडीमेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, ऑप्शन डी डिबेंचर्स. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी डिबेंचर्स. Thanks for watching video and share this video your friends. Subscribe my channel and like this video.